Welcome to this video about how to use ChatGPT to create content via Afrokonnect. Have you ever experienced writer's block or realized that you were short on time to compose a piece of material that you needed to submit? If this is the case, ChatGPT could very well be the answer you've been looking for. In this video, we'll investigate how to make the most of ChatGPT to produce material that is not only of great quality, but also saves a lot of time. Understanding the basics of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model created by OpenAI that makes use of machine learning to generate text that appears to have been written by humans. Generative Pre-trained Transformer is what GPT stands for in ChatGPT, which basically indicates that the model has been pre-trained on massive amounts of text data, and is able to use that knowledge to produce new text based on a given prompt. GPT-2 and GPT-3 are the names of the two different iterations of ChatGPT that are currently available. GPT-2 is a model that is a little bit older but is still quite effective when it comes to the generation of material, whereas GPT-3 is the most recent model and also the most powerful. Because it is able to produce full articles, essays, and stories with ease, GPT-3 is an excellent alternative for individuals who are trying to reduce the amount of time and effort spent on the process of content production. Getting started with ChatGPT. To get started with ChatGPT, you'll need to sign up for an account on the OpenAI website. From there, you can choose which model you want to use, GPT-2 or GPT-3, and get access to the API. Once you've accessed the API, you can start using ChatGPT to generate content. There are a variety of different prompts you can use to get started, such as providing a topic or a few keywords, asking a question, or even giving a sentence or two of existing text. Creating content with ChatGPT. To generate content, you can use ChatGPT in a few different ways, each with their own unique benefits. Making use of the model to come up with ideas for blog posts is one possibility. You simply need to input a few pertinent keywords or subjects, and the model will provide you with a list of suitable blog post titles to work with. To write headlines, you might also try using ChatGPT as an alternative. This is especially helpful for marketing efforts conducted via social media or email, because captivating headlines are necessary for generating engagement with the target audience. Last but not least, you can use ChatGPT to compose complete articles or other forms of material. Merely feed the model with a prompt or a few words of current material, and it will develop an integrated piece of content that is both of high quality and suited for search engine optimization, SEO. Best practices for using ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool for content creation, there are a few best practices you should follow to ensure the best results. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Choose the appropriate model for your needs. GPT-2 is still highly effective for content creation and may be a better choice for those on a tight budget, while GPT-3 is ideal for those looking to save time and effort. Fine-tune the settings. While ChatGPT is capable of generating high-quality text on its own, fine-tuning the settings can help ensure that the content it generates is both on-topic and relevant to your needs. Proofread and edit your generated content. While ChatGPT is capable of generating high-quality content, it's still important to proofread and edit the text it generates to ensure that it's error-free and reads well. FAQs. Can we use ChatGPT for content writing? Yes, ChatGPT can be utilized for the writing of content. It is an effective language model that can produce high-quality writing that appears to have been authored by a human being and reads naturally. You can utilize ChatGPT to come up with ideas for blog posts, develop headlines, or even come up with complete pieces of material to publish. How do I use ChatGPT for content creation? To use ChatGPT for content creation, you will need to sign up for an account on the OpenAI website and access the API. From there, you can choose which model you want to use, GPT-2 or GPT-3, and provide a prompt or a few sentences of existing text. The model will then generate a cohesive piece of content that is both high quality and optimized for SEO. How are marketers using ChatGPT? Marketers use ChatGPT in a number of different capacities, including coming up with ideas for blog posts, writing headlines, generating content for social media, and even composing complete articles. While creating content, marketers can generate high-quality writing while reducing the amount of time and work spent on the process because of ChatGPT. This text is also tailored specifically for the audience the marketers are trying to reach. Conclusion: ChatGPT is a powerful tool for content creation that may help you save time and effort, while at the same time generating high-quality writing that appears to have been written by a human. Whether you're trying to come up with ideas for blog posts, compose headlines, or even come up with full pieces of content, this tool can help. On that note, this brings us to the end of this video about how to use ChatGPT to create content via Afrokonnect. Have you ever tried using ChatGPT for content creation? Let us know what you think via the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video.